Hello, I'm Pamela Martin Spanier, a recent graduate of Spalding University. I've obtained a Bachelor's of Science in Communication degree. Most of my professional experience stemmed from working in the medical field, providing both direct and indirect patient care, helping both patient and family understand the prescriptions and medical procedures the doctor has prescribed. My communication speaking skills stem from speaking locally to Girl Scout troops, helping them to understand and grasp the importance of secondary education. I believe that education is the way to combat a lot of the issues associated with poverty. By reporting the facts and only the facts, reporting the who, what, when, where, and why, and how we're affected by those situations, will help our community at large to understand the context in which communication is presented. As a news reporter for a local radio or TV station, I can contribute to those facts. I can deliver immediate news as it happened and provide the factual information by factual checking, rechecking, and understand communication and presenting it as it happens. Thank you, Pamela Martin Spanier.